It's a lovely day, one night, and I'm back. I finished modifying the lower manifold and the fuel rail, and now I just have to install it. I've been working like crazy, so I'm just now getting installed. This is like a week or two later. Fuel rail is right here. Got the clips on the injectors so they don't move. And now all I gotta do is install it. Once the fuel rail is installed, all I have to do after that is run lines, the fuel lines from the back to the fuel pump, from the fuel pump to the front. You get what I'm saying? That'll make me about 60 to 70% done with the car. I only really have a little bit to do. So on my day off, since I'm not working today, I'm gonna get a little bit done, and that's gonna be the fuel rail. I'm gonna install the fuel rail, make sure it fits properly, and then look for other little stuff that I can possibly do, but that's not gonna be on this video. So I got my fuel rail right here. My clips are on the fuel rail now. I got my injectors, my line. This, I cut it to where it's gonna fit, and I'm gonna install it right now. So, lower manifold right there. The injectors go down in there. Excuse the light because I know it's probably a glare. I'm gonna fix that though. I'm gonna fix that. Ooh. I'm in there. Alright, having a little problem. Pause. There we go. Hey, tell it. Perfect. 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 And the line doesn't touch because I cut it perfect. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'll be putting my bolts in bags, and I always label it so I'll never lose no bolts. I believe these are like 12s. It's only 4 of them. This that demolition flow, then I had these niggas froze. Money start growing more and more, probably buy a Bentley for my bro. I'm peeping everything, got me seeing like a crow. I can't fuck with the other side, got me on my Game of Thrones. Got me feeling like a crow. Who the fuck when it corrupted the code? Pray to God they never die with the flow. Yeah, bitch. You ready? We got it on demons and demon to put. Don't worry every time I feel like a fan. Won't stop till they give me the key to the city. Chat out the side, you know it feel like a man. Moonwalking in the deep, but it really came with time, kinda like roller skating. But I ain't sick of baby. Yeah, I'm rich. You can find me in the radio rockin'. I'm in the bank, baby, the poppin'. He say he poppin' this money to me, but really I ain't heard nothing about it. Look on my haters, something about only way to hit it, cause the bitch ain't watchin'. Other not doing it, touching my pocket. Go ahead and get this spine in my pocket. Gon' be talking stupid and reach for your pocket. Play the put nigga, look, they better watch it. Told mama that she need dirty mouths. Baby told me how my birthday and college. I was about to say. There you go.
Two blunts, 2 shots, 2 lit, ayy. 4 blunts, 4 shots, 4 sips, ayy. 2 lit, all I know is I'm fucked up. Now it's time to get fucked. 2 shots, 2 lit, ayy. 4 blunts, 4 shots, 4 sips, ayy. 2 lit, all I know is I'm fucked up.
I didn't want to throw it in yet.
Baby, come on, let's get fucked up. Bottle of Henny and tip bottle of rum. Okay, baby, just let me see you drive the motherfucking boat. Whole time I'm just trying to touch a motherfucking boat. What you going that you might just be the motherfucking goat. Whole shots, 2 wheels, gonna roll again. Last night was lit, but tonight trying to be lit. Cause she brought a friend, whatever happened, nigga trying to fuss it for me.
Perfect. Now I just need to see if they seated properly. If they seated properly, then I'm good. Okay. Yeah. Perfect. So 1050cc injectors. These came out of a GTR. They plug and play. Why I got an injector in here? Get out of there. Yeah, they plug and play. Perfect example. These are the connectors for the injectors. You see that? Which one is that? Oh. Oh. Let's try to get you in there. That's one. So 1, 2, 3. If I can get it on there. Crap. One, 2, and 3. Oh, another cool thing is now that I have Hall Tech, which I'm going to be running this turbo setup with, I can now use EVT. Yeah. So 3 down, 3 more to go. And then that's basically almost it for the front part. I still have to tighten up the turbo manifold. I left it loose on purpose, which I'm gonna do eventually. So without further ado, I'm gonna put the 3 other plug and play harnesses on, and I'm gonna try to fit the manifold. Yeah, that's in there. Where's the other harness? So there we go. Then there should be one more. There we go. This black one goes on the manifold, so I'm tripping off that. I'm gonna tuck that out the way somewhere, somehow. This is supposed to be tucked out the way too. Just 3. This is 3. It's gonna be kind of harder to install right here, but mama ain't raised no punk. You know what I should have did? I should have installed it first before putting it down, cause it's hard for my hands to get in there. Yeah, I can barely compress the barely can compress it. Let's see. If you were me, how would you do this? I would have did it while I was out. Never mind. I figured it out. 2. Ooh, this is gonna be hard. Crap. brush like right there. There we go. And one more. This one might be the easiest one out of all of them. I lied. Well, I didn't lie. All injectors and plug and play harnesses are connected. And now it's time for the manifold. 2014 maximum motor. This is what the manifold looks like. This is the manifold I'm finna put on the car. We're just gonna see if it clears like the little harness in the back, which it should, but we're just gonna see. Seems good to me. Care about no notifications right now. Seems good to me. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I got some bad news. I misplaced the bolts to the manifold. But the good news is, I can just go to the junkyard and get some more. This car has been sitting for a long time, over a year, so it was bound to happen. It's all good. Simple mistake, I'll bounce back from it. All I gotta do is just hit the junkyard. It's all good. And while I'm over here looking at the injectors, a part of me is thinking that I probably don't even need these plug and play wires, but I'm gonna just run them for right now since that's what came in the box. But if anything, I can always take them off and then, you know, yeah.
She my new snack. Thought she loved you. I took your song and made that little hoe a new track.